Okay, hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, as you can see, my hair is already blown out. I didn't show that portion because I have a lot of hair and it takes forever to blow dry. And if you want to see that in a future video, I definitely can do that. I just wanted this video to be shorter, and I knew that would just be like a 30-minute video. But yeah, now I'm just sectioning my hair into 4 different sections just so I can see and be able to work through this whole process. So now I'm just taking that first section. Yes, your girl is tired. It was so late at night and I had to work the next morning. But you know, I powered through. But now I'm just brushing through that section of hair and making sure there aren't any knots or tangles. And now I'm just deciding how big I want each perm rod roller section to actually be. So each single perm rod section. And it was about 1 inch, nothing bigger. And now I'm just clipping that section of hair out of the way so I can actually get into the actual work. And now I'm just taking the As I Am double buttercream. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. It's probably my favorite moisturizer, at least one of them anyway. But yeah, if you haven't gotten it, go get it. I promise you won't regret it. But now I'm just applying the moisturizer to my hair, and I'm really trying to focus on the ends just as much as the rest of my hair, because the way I'm going to roll my hair this time around is very different from how I did it in my last video. So now I'm just taking the blue perm rods. They're the thicker ones. I'm not sure the exact size, but they're the blue ones. And now I'm just taking that piece of hair and I'm wrapping the end around the perm rod first, and then I'm going to corkscrew my hair around the rod and then secure the rod in place with the little closure piece. Okay, so I really hope that made sense to you guys. If not, I'm going to say it one more time. So I'm applying the moisturizer to the full length of my hair, really focusing on those ends and making sure my hair is smooth. And then I'm going to take the roller and place it at the end of my hair and then secure my ends and then corkscrew the roller up to the base of my head and then secure the roller in place. It's super easy once you actually get the hang of it. The first few times I was like, what? But it came out pretty good once I got used to it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through the rest of my head. I do change up the rollers, but I show you guys each time, and I'll come back on here and let you know what size of rollers I end up changing to. Okay, so the next perm rod size that I used were actually the orange ones. They're the same ones that I used all over my head in my last video, my last perm rod set video. And you can literally find these at your local beauty supply store. They're everywhere. Okay, so when I first started this video, I was dead on set on a middle part, but as you can see now, I'm actually switching my hair over to a side part, and I'm actually very glad that I did that because the results were exactly what I wanted. Okay, so now that I'm towards the front of my hair, I'm actually switching to a smaller perm rod, and these are the peach ones. They have some pink ones, but these are the peach ones. The pink ones are absolutely too small. They're like the little baby perm rods. So these are the peach ones. They're pretty much the next smaller size after the orange ones. And I know I don't know the specific sizes for these perm rods, but like I said in my last video, I do believe that they are color coded, so you can go to the store and find them based off the color. Y'all, finally, I am done. I finished so late at night, but I got it done. Now I'm just gonna go to sleep and I'll wake up. See, look, I'm tired. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll wake up and take them down in the morning. Okay, hey you guys, it is the next day. Matter of fact, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning because I had to go to work at 6, so I had to get up and take these down as early as possible. I do want to mention that I did sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes just so the style can set. It wasn't too long because I hate sitting under the dryer. I get so hot. But yeah, so now I'm just doing the whole entire takedown process. You guys, I was so shocked with how shiny my hair was. Like, from one product at that, like, I literally only used one freaking product in my hair, and my hair was so shiny, and I got really good definition. I was really shocked. But now I'm just taking down the last few so I can go ahead and get to my two favorite parts, which is the separating and, of course, picking out my hair. See, look, I'm already feeling myself and I haven't even separated yet. I'm very pleased with my results. Like, wow, I'm shocked. And now I'm just going through and separating each curl where they naturally want to separate, even though I don't really care too much about frizziness. As you'll see later in the video, I pretty much fluffed out my hair with that pick. But it's all good. The bigger the hair, the closer to God. Amen? Amen. And now on to my favorite part, picking out my hair. You guys know I will pick and pick and pick until my hair is just huge. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. Y'all, I picked the mess out of my hair. And look at me, dropping stuff. But yeah, I love picking out my hair. But if you don't like having your hair picked out that much, then you definitely don't have to. If you do want more longevity in your perm rod set, I say only separate a little bit and don't pick at all. That's how you can get more longevity out of your perm rod set. But me, I do my hair every 3 to 4 days when I can, if I'm not at work. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh. Had to go get cute on y'all real quick. Threw on some earrings and a jacket. That was set off the look right there, okay? But no, I was getting ready for work, so you know I had to go get the rest of my stuff on. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with my results. I almost didn't film this, but the feedback I got on Instagram made me want to film it. So this is for all the people who requested it on Instagram. But yeah, I was very, very pleased with my results. Like, look at the luster from that one product. Like, I'm very happy with how my hair turned out and how, yeah, I'm just happy, you guys. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. And if you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Oh yeah, and thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Like, that's crazy. I'm so thankful. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.